Hello guys, and welcome to my new video on how to install a graphics card. This is my GTX 680 Lightning, and I am going to show you how to install this graphics card. I'm mainly doing this for my friend to show him how to do it. Okay, first you're going to have to take off these two slots here, because yeah, it takes up two slots, my card does. So I'll just go with the thumb screws. Them ones right there, you can't see them because the lighting is crap. But yeah, you gotta unscrew these. There's two screws there and there. You unscrew them both and take out the plates, and then you're good. So now you need to put in the graphics card into this 16X slot here, and you need to slide it in, of course, this way. And yeah, make sure the tab here is down, pushed down, because then the card will click in once it's actually in. So I'll be back when I've slotted my card in. Okay, so the card is in, and a little white tab you can just see down there, it's that little white thing, is clicked in. So that's all good. Now you need to grab these little screws that came out of the mesh bits here. You need to screw these into that hole and that hole there. So I'll be back once I've done that. Okay, so it's in. Now you need to plug in your 8 pins, or 8 pin, 6 pin, or whatever you've got, with these two PCIe cords. So you can tell which way they go by the little things inside of them, the pins inside of them. If I can't show it. Oh, that's what the camera's over here. You can't see, but there's little silver pins inside, and you can tell by the way they go when you're plugging them in, and which way the clip is on it. So then, let's just get this one in. This one's in. You can't really see because the lighting's bad. That one's plugged in, so now I'll get that one in, and I'll be back when it's clipped in, and I'll be able to turn it on. Okay, so it's all in, and we're ready to power it on. No, we're not. I forgot to turn my PC on. So, you can see the lights there on. Bam. Okay, the card's lit up, so that is a good sign. I'm not sure if yours will have LED lights like this one does. But yeah. Well, this is my computer. It's pretty cool looking. I've spent a lot of money on it, and I'm not going to say how much. And we should get a picture on the screen. Here's Windows, and we'll just wait for that to load up. And this case is the Razer H 440 or something, and it is really good looking. I love it. And here it is. This is coming up, so grab my keyboard. Password, I will not show it, I nearly did. So now, ready? And this is what you'll need to do your driver updates and hang on, and how to check if it's in. So this is called, no, focus. Oh, come on, focus. GeForce Experience, there we go. Now we'll need to open this, and you'll see if you will need to do a driver update, which you probably will if you're first time putting it in. So I'll do that. I'll open this up. And here it is. So if you'll go into my rig, and you'll be able to see if your card is in there. And you can see GeForce GTX 680 is in there. And you can see the rest of my specs on my computer, and then you probably will have to do a driver update. So you go into here and then into drivers, and then you go to check for updates, and then there'll probably be an update, but mine's got the latest update. So yeah, that's not very hard. Good luck and bye.